Jai Sai Ram, Chapter 15. Permission to Kaka Mahajani to go. Bau Sahib, Dumal kept staying for a week. Story of Srimati Nimokar. Guru's vision to Mulay Shastri of Nasik. Sai became Sri Ram to the doctor. Permission to Kaka Mahajani to go. Once Kaka Mahajani reached Shirdi from Bombay, his idea was to stay for 1 week and take part in the celebration of Gokula Ashtami. After having sight, Baba asked him when you will go back. He felt strange on this question of Baba. Giving answer was necessary. Therefore, he said, when Baba permits. Baba told him to go the next day. Baba's words were law. Obeying them was essential. Kaka Mahajani returned immediately. When he reached his office at Bombay, he saw his boss waiting very eagerly for him. Due to the illness of the accountant, the presence of Kaka had become very compulsory. A letter sent from the boss at the address of Shirdi that was just returned to him at the address of Bombay. Bau Sahib Dumal kept saying for a week. Once Bahu Sahib Dumal was going to the court of Nifra in relation to a case. On the way he got down at Shirdi. He saw Baba and immediately wanted to go to Nifra, but Baba did not permit. He kept him in Shirdi for a week. In the meantime, the judge of Nifrat became ill with stomach pain. For this reason, his case was postponed to some other day. Bahu Sahib got the permission to return after a week. The hearing for the case took place for many months and in the court of 4 judges. As a result, Dumal became successful in the case and his client was acquitted of the case. Story of Srimati Nimorkar. Sri Nana Sahib Nimmonkar, a resident of Nimon, was an honorary judge. He was staying with his wife in Shirdi. Once his son became ill at Belapur, then his mother went there to see her son along with other relatives and decided to spend some time there. But Nana Sahib told her to come back the next day. She became confused to what to do, but Baba helped her. He went to Baba before leaving Shirdi. Baba was standing near the Satiwada along with Nana Sahib. She bowed to Baba and wanted permission to leave. Baba told her that go immediately, do not worry, became carefree. Spend 4 days in Belapur with pleasure, see all your relatives and then come to Shirdi. Now, how timely were these words of Baba. The order of Sri Nimmonkar was rejected by Baba. Guru's vision to Mulay Shastri of Nasik. In Nasik, there was Kara Minshit, a person who performs religious deeds. Agnihotra Brahmin called Mulay Shastri. He was an expert astrologer. Once after meeting with the famous multimillionaire Sri Bahu Sahib Bhakti, went to the mosque with some other gentlemen to see Baba. Baba purchased many kinds of fruits and other kinds of fruit sellers distributed them to the people present in the mosque. Baba pressed the mango with each cleverness that by putting it into the mouth, the whole juice came out and the kernel and the husk could be thrown immediately. Baba, after peeling the bananas, distributed them among the devotees and kept the husk for him. Being the master of palmistry, he requested Baba to show his hand, but paying no attention to his request, Baba gave him 4 bananas. After it, all the people returned to Wada. Now Mulay Shastri took his bath and after wearing new clothes he became busty in oblation. According to his practice, Baba also left for Landi. While going, he told, bring some giru riddle today. We will dye clothes in saffron color. Nobody could understand the meaning of Baba's words. Baba returned after some time. Now preparation for the noon Arati began. Bahu Sahib Jog asked Mulay to accompany him for the Arati. He replied that he will go to see Baba in the evening. Then Jog went alone. Just after taking the seat of Baba, devotees began to worship him. Now Arati started. Baba said, "Bring some dakshina donation from the new Brahmin." Bhuti himself went for bringing the donation and gave the message of Baba to Muley Shastri. He was badly frightened. He began to think that he was a Agnihotra Brahmin, and then is it proper for me to give donation? It is well known that Baba is a great saint, but I am not his disciple. Even then, he thought that when a great saint like Baba is asking for a donation and a multimillionaire like Sri Bhoti has come to collect it, then how can he neglect them? Therefore, he immediately went to the mosque with Sri Bhoti. Thinking himself pure and pious and thinking the mosque impure, he stood at the distance and then from that distance threw flowers at Baba with folded hands. Suddenly he saw that the seat of Baba, his Kailashvasi, resident of Kailash, Guru Gopal Swami, was seated. He was greatly astonished to see his Guru there. For some time he could not utter a single word from his mouth. He pricked himself and thought again, but he could not decide that how the resident of Kailash, Guru Gopal Swami, had come to mosque. Then, dissolving all his doubts, he stepped towards and moved forward, fell at the feet of Guru and began to worship him with folded hands. The devotees were singing the Arati of Baba, but Muley Shastri was doing Jai Ghosh, noise of victory of his Guru. Then, leaving the ego of caste, creeds and thoughts of impurity, he again fell at the lotus feet of his Guru. His closed eyes, but when after standing he opened the eyes and he saw Baba asking for the donation. Seeing pleasant form and his Anirvachanya Shakti, unspeakable power, Muley Shastri went into self-oblivion. His happiness knew no boundary. He again saluted Baba and gave him the donation. Baba became Sri Ram to doctor. Once Mamlatdar administrator with his doctor friend came to Shirdi. The doctor said that his adored deity God Sri Ram, why should I bow my head to a Muslim? Therefore disagreed to go to Shirdi. The Mamlatdar made him understand that nor he will be compelled to bow, neither anybody to tell him to do so. Therefore, come with me, it will be rejoicing. They reached Shirdi, went for the sight of Baba, but seeing doctor to be first to go and worshipping the feet of Baba, all were astonished. People asked doctor why he changed his decision and prostrated before the Muslim. Then doctor said in the place of Baba he saw his adorned god Sri Ram. Therefore he saluted. While he was speaking so, just then he saw again Sai Baba. He asked astonishingly, is this a dream? How can he see a Muslim, be a Muslim? He is absolute yoga incarnation. From the next day, he started fasting. He promised that until Baba himself call and bless him, he will not go to the mosque. In this way, 3 days passed. The fourth day, one of his friends from Khandesh came to Shirdi. They both went to the mosque to see Baba. After salutation, Baba asked the doctor who took the pains to call you, "How did you come over here?" Hearing this question, he became compassionate, and same night Baba blessed him. The doctor had the feelings of rejoicing in sleep itself. He returned to his city. Even then, for 15 days, he had the same experience. In this way, Sai devotion multiplied many times. Jai Sai Ram.